join hands for a brighter future.
As we prepare to observe the International Day of People with Disabilities on December 3rd, let us take a moment to reflect on the importance of kindness and inclusivity.
There are many children with disabilities who face challenges in their daily lives, and we have the power to make a difference.
We encourage you to contribute a small portion of your pocket money to help support the underprivileged children with disability. Your generous donation will be used to provide them with essential resources and opportunities to improve their quality of life.
Let's come together to show that we care and believe in building a world where everyone is valued and supported. Please bring your contribution by 29th of November and submit them to your class teacher.
Your compassion and generosity will bring joy and hope with those who need it the most. Thank you for making a difference.
Your Student Council.